You know what I mean?
No, listen.
I'm gonna be honest with you.
That's fine.
Okay.
We can work.
I'm about to say, I just be 2 years in prison, man. I don't want to.
Sometimes we
I
have
got
to.
goosebumps.
Sometimes we can say, "Hey, go take care of your warrant." Sometimes we can't.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
figure that out. Sounds like it might just be you didn't go to court or didn't finish paying something.
Yes, sir.
But what's your social?
Take a pee.
Going in vacant houses.
I had to take a piss. Just one vacant house. I had to take a piss though.
Okay.
I seen y'all rode by me. Then
Yeah.
y'all went down that street.
Yeah.
I took a piss and
we
left.
saw you go in the vacant. That's why we came back.
I just
down.
took a piss though. I
Okay.
went behind there, took a piss and left. Y'all see, if y'all went back up the street, I was gone.
Yeah. Well, that's why we were like, what was?
I
he
wasn't
doing
thinking
there?
about, so I took a piss and left.
Okay.
Come on, y'all.
What
I ain't driving. You know what I mean?
What's your name? Tell you what the warrant is right now. And
I'm telling you what it's for. I was dumping hella, like, we was moving. So beds, couches. I got caught right before Christmas.
Okay.
But they knew I was going to, like, thought I was going to jail. They let me fight my case.
Okay.
I came home. So now I got a warrant, active warrant from like December 25th. If you look in your thing, it'll say like from December 25th.
Is it from not reporting or something? Or?
No, it's just the man from the company where I dumped the stuff at. He just immediately just went on and did that. He didn't give me a chance to come pick the shit up or nothing. He just, the police called me and said, hey.
When I check what it is, they'll tell me.
I promise you, just please, like, come on, man. I come here to get my paycheck. It's my second job. He'll tell you my boss right here. I don't gotta lie, y'all.
Is it?
Yeah, but y'all pulling me over and there's no reason to pull me over for real.
Is the warrant from
There ain't no reason though. Come on. It's crime out here, baby. I just be 2 gun sergeants. I ain't trying to.
Warrant from us?
It's from Akron, yes. Akron Police Department, yes. To be honest with you, yes. But
Well,
come on, man. I ain't speed. Like, I ain't getting. Come on, y'all. Like, come on, man. This ain't no. Like, there's no reason to pull me over. Y'all see me coming here, man. Because y'all see me back in somewhere, ain't no reason to pull nobody over, man. It's not. Y'all ain't seen me doing nothing illegal. All I did was back in. That ain't no reason to stop me, man.
I got you. Right now we're doing an
I just don't want to go to jail, bro. I know I got a warrant. You know what I mean?
We're doing an investigation. Okay? I'm not out here to mistreat anybody. I'll be honest. I know you don't know me.
I don't think you is.
I know
I
you
just
don't know me.
Man, I'm getting off work. I just want to go home. I just want to go home, bro.
Okay. I understand that.
You feel me?
But listen, I'm not out here to mistreat you. I've never mistreated anybody on this job, okay?
Yes, sir.
Man to man, you're trying to work, I'm trying to work.
Yes, sir.
You want to go home, I want to go.
Yes, sir.
Like, we're on the same playing field.
Yes, sir.
Okay? When we see something that doesn't look right,
I can see if I was doing something illegal,
okay,
sir.
okay, and that's all we're trying
Feel
to
me,
figure it
baby?
out.
But y'all, I ain't did nothing. Y'all ain't seen me doing nothing. Y'all just seen me back in. I went and took a piss. I have a pee. I took a piss and I was
Okay.
Y'all see, I wasn't there long.
No, but I
nothing.
didn't know that.
You know what I mean?
I didn't know.
I
didn't see you pissing. And I'll be honest with you, I'm the type of guy that if you're standing right here, right,
you still wouldn't notice.
and you're going like this, right, and I'd be like, hey, not outside.
Yes, sir.
Because I've done it.
You know what I mean?
You get what I mean?
Yes,
Like,
sir. I just don't want to go to jail, sir. Please, man. I ain't doing nothing crazy.
So,
I can call my probation officer for y'all, my lawyer.
What's in the book?
It's my tires.
Okay.
So I still use tires.
Okay.
So that's what I do. Coming here now to try to sell him something.
Hello?
So he buy tires. I sell them for $5. So when I go around the city, I see tires and shit. I'm gonna go pick them up. And I bring them to all the tire shops, and whatever's good, they good. You know what I mean? So I don't sell dope no more than nothing, man. I told McCartney I'm gonna stay out of trouble. You know what I mean, bro?
I
Like,
got you.
I just want to go home, man. I just want to go home, man. I ain't did nothing like
Okay,
that.
but I got you. So listen, that face value up front, man to man.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's why we're here at this moment, right?
Okay.
Something doesn't look weird, we check it out.
But sir.
Okay, like,
I'm
Mr.
telling
Harris,
you,
listen.
I just
Mr. Harris,
beat
hold on.
cases, baby.
Hold
I
on.
don't want no problems.
Mr. Harris, let me finish.
I don't want no problems.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I did not know that.
Okay.
I didn't know you stepped behind a vacant and pissed.
I got you. But
I
y'all
don't
see, I wasn't there for 3 seconds. I took a piss and literally left.
So you got your warrant until they come back and tell us that we'll have to place you under arrest until they tell us. Like you had one's out of state though. You have an out of state. It says no extradition. So we'll have to put you in our car. We'll wait to see what they say. Whose call is this?
It's my sister.
Okay. She rented it?
Yes.
Okay. Alright.
Come on.
So
Come on.
we can work with her
Yeah.
coming to pick it up.
I just don't want to go to jail, yo.
I didn't say
But I know I got a
necessarily.
warrant, yo. I've been trying to avoid this, yo.
It doesn't always matter.
I just want to go home.
Once
I'm
they
not doing
confirm-
nothing wrong.
If the warrant is ours, we can say, here's a summons, go home. If it's not, we have to listen and wait. If they say we don't want them,
Yes, sir.
then we go click, click. All right,
Sir,
see.
please, y'all can look and see my release date. I just got out the
We'll
county
get there.
jail.
We'll get
I've been
there.
3 months
Come
in
over
here,
here.
guys.
We'll have to make
Yes,
sure
sir.
you don't have
Yes, sir.
anything
I don't
on
have
you.
nothing. I promise
You
you.
want to take that off or leave it on?
I just be 2 gun charges.
You want this glove on or off?
So if they say no, we don't want them,
It's not.
off you go in your truck.
These come off as
Fair?
easy as they fill on. Let me lock these. We'll sit in our car so we're not cold and work this
Can
all
I call
out.
my wife, please?
We will help you out any way we
You
can.
got here, call me.
What? Oh
You
yeah.
got no more. Yeah, go ahead. Damn.
When did you get out?
Got out.
That's my seat.
2.5 weeks ago. 2.5 weeks now.
No, I got you. Hold on 1 second. No problem. I just gotta. I got you.
3.5 years.
You know how it goes. I still got you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nothing in your hood.
Yes, sir.
Listen, I appreciate you being cool with me. Like I said, I'll be as cool with anybody
Yes, sir.
as they provide. You know.
I got you.
Okay, so the people that were calling me apparently, they know who you are. So, what's going on with these tires? Like, what were you
I
doing?
just picked those up on Madison just now. So what I do, I pick up, like, this is like the 3rd time I done did it. I seen like a big ass pile of tires.
Okay.
Take them to these tire shops. Whichever ones do it to them, I try to sell for $5. Whichever ones they want, I'm taking it back to where I found them.
Okay. Do you have the permit and paperwork to transport tires?
I don't transport them. I just seen them like today.
Well, that's what you're doing there, though. Like, you're not even allowed to haul more than 10 tires at a time. It's against, there's like all kinds of like federal regulations and all kinds of stuff with it. So you're not taking these and dumping them anywhere? Or?
Picking them up, certain bigger than he'll tell you. I try to sell them for $5 a tire, whichever ones that he don't want. It's in between him and the tire shop across the street, sir. It's the 3rd time. I just take them back to where I got them. If you don't want any of them, I take them back to where I got them.
So then if whatever you don't sell, what do you do with
I
those?
just take them back to where I got them. So that pile that I just picked up over there on Madison, is the pile on Madison. That's the pile I just picked up.
In somebody's house or
It
just
was like at an event, yes sir. It was like a house.
Okay.
Right there, sir.
What did you think your warrant was for?
They were dumping.
Yeah, illegal dumping. That's what you got
That
to.
was the tires. Exactly. So I took them back to what. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
So you
Back to
do,
where I get
oh,
it.
I thought you said furniture. So you
I had
got
furniture too. Yeah, I had some couches and stuff on the back of there as well.
okay.
That was in the police report. That was in the police report.
All right. So they want you on that warrant, and at some point somebody's gonna come talk to you more about this. So that's what I know right now.
You gotta take me, sir.
That's
There's no way, sir. Now I can get
listen. When I get a phone call from someone that's in charge of me, and they knew who you were, and they said, "Hey," they told me to send you to the county. That's out of my hands at that point. Like I was telling you there, sometimes we can give you summons and let you leave. This is one of them where we could have been like, "Yeah, here's a summons, go to court." But when someone is like, "No, send this person to jail. We need you to send them to jail and tell them we'll be talking to them," then that's what I gotta do.
Yeah, the police right here. He in the car. I'm in the car with him. I'm on speakerphone. I'm just letting you know they gotta they gotta tow the truck, bro. I wasn't doing nothing crazy. I wasn't driving crazy or nothing. They just, I mean, I pulled into the shop and they just got behind me. So I wasn't doing nothing crazy or anything, bro. Just, I don't know. I really don't know.
Damn, so they about to take you?
Yeah. Let me call my wife real quick, bro.
Damn, hard.
And is she in contacts anywhere?
Yeah, go to killer.
Is it under any favorites? Okay.
It's just killer right there, boom, killer.
Right here?
Killer, yeah, that's my
Okay.
wife. Sorry. Go to killer.
That's it. I'll let you talk to him.
Hey, babe, I'm at the Copley Road tire shop, man. I'm about to go to jail, man.
You about to what?
I'm about to go to jail.
You're what?
I'm in the back of the police car now. I'm finna go to jail. I'm just letting you know I'm about to go to jail.
What happened?
I didn't do anything. I pulled in and they got behind me and asked me if I had my license. Then it went from there. I wasn't driving crazy. I didn't do anything wrong. I really didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything.
Can I come and get you?
They don't have no. Nah, they said they got to call. They got to take me down. He called somebody and said they got to take me down. So I don't know what's gonna happen from here. I don't know.
On a fucking Friday.
When I say I didn't do nothing, baby, I just pulled right in, man. I was gonna sell these tires, and they got behind me, man.
You're breaking up.
I'm just letting you know, babe. I may have to call you from the county, man. Just answer the phone.
Did she hear you?
Call you the phone. I can't come. I'm coming to get you. I'm
No,
right here.
can't nobody come get me, babe. You gotta take me to jail this year.
Yeah, he's got to go right now, but he'll be able to call you from the county. He wasn't doing anything crazy, like you said. He'll be able to explain it all to you later. And he probably don't want to talk a whole lot in front of us, but we have to tow the truck with all these tires in it and stuff. But we told him we'd let him call you. This is Officer Hill, so. Okay, but he'll be able to call you later. I don't know if he'll be able to get out or get a bond or anything tonight. I don't have any clue about how that works, but he'll be able to call you. Hang on.
All
Go ahead
right,
for
baby,
20.
I love you, man. I don't want to talk right now. You know me, man. I'm just.
Copy,
I ain't
thank
do
you.
nothing, babe. I swear to God, I wasn't doing nothing crazy, man. I didn't do nothing crazy. All right, babe.
All right.
Tell Nana good job with her grades too. We was gonna tell her. I was gonna take my daughter out tonight and everything, man.
All right, tell her bye. We gotta go.
All right, babe.
Is there anything on any of these officers missed? Any drugs, knives, guns, nothing?
Right here.
Right side, watch your head. I want you back in the car. Take a seat. You're good.
I just beat 2 gun charges, man. So I'm trying to stay clean. I told McCorry to stay clean. And this still staying clean. I could be doing worse. I could be out here selling. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean you could be doing a lot worse.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, you're fine, man. You weren't a dick to me. Trust me, I've had a lot worse. I don't take none of that personal. So once they're done,
But I'll for sure be able to go to court tomorrow.
you should be able to. Yeah. Yeah. If it was Saturday, they don't do it on Sunday.
Because I don't have a holder or nothing.
I don't think so. I'll say that's more of all that term stuff. That's going to be between you and the judge and the county, not us.
Okay. So they do court on Sunday too now?
No, usually they don't. That's what I was saying. If this was Saturday, we'd probably be in here till Monday. So I sat there and stared at them until they wrecked it.
Sorry.
No, you're good, bro.
Big as hell.
It's hard to get in if you're a small dude, and it's even worse if you're bigger. One sec. You okay? Digging into you? Right there and stand right in front of that window.
A man finishes work, pulls into a tire shop parking lot, and within minutes finds himself sitting in the back of a police car calling his wife to say the words nobody ever wants to say, "I'm about to go to jail." What makes this moment powerful isn't chaos or violence, it's something quieter and more familiar. It's the slow collision between past mistakes, present choices, and the reality that sometimes consequences arrive when you least expect them. The real lesson here isn't about policing or even warrants. It's about honesty, responsibility, and the uncomfortable truth that trying to outrun a problem almost always brings it back to your doorstep. From the beginning of the encounter, one thing stands out: the man chooses honesty. Almost immediately he tells the officer he has a warrant. That takes a surprising amount of courage. Most people in that situation might dodge the question, stall, or hope the officer never checks. Instead, he admits it up front. And the officer responds the way good policing often looks in the real world: calm, conversational, respectful. There's no shouting, no aggression. Just two people talking. Notice the tone the officer sets early. He says, essentially, man to man, "You're trying to work, I'm trying to work." That's not just small talk. That's a de-escalation strategy. When people feel respected, their stress level drops. Their brain moves out of fight or flight mode and back toward reasoning. You can actually hear the tension soften for a moment. But there's another emotional current running underneath the conversation: fear. The man repeats the same line several times: "I just want to go home." That's a deeply human reaction. When we feel trapped, our brain latches onto one outcome we desperately want. And we start negotiating reality around it. Look closely at the turning point of the situation. It's subtle. The officer tells him something important. Sometimes officers can issue a summons instead of making an arrest. Sometimes they can't. That moment is the crossroads. Because from that point on, the outcome isn't really about attitude or cooperation anymore, it's about the warrant itself and instructions coming from higher authorities. And here's where the psychology gets interesting. Even though the man has been mostly cooperative, he begins trying to argue the fairness of the stop. "Y'all didn't see me doing nothing illegal. There's crime out here. That ain't no reason to pull me over." Now listen, this reaction is incredibly common. When people feel powerless, they shift the conversation from responsibility to fairness. Instead of asking, "What do I need to deal with here?" the mind asks, "Why me?" We've all felt that instinct. You miss a deadline and suddenly you're talking about how the instructions were unclear. You get pulled over and suddenly the argument becomes about other drivers speeding. It's a psychological defense mechanism. Our ego protects us from the discomfort of owning the situation fully. But the officer keeps redirecting the conversation calmly. He doesn't take the bait. He doesn't argue. He simply keeps explaining the process. Then the reality lands. Dispatch confirms the warrant. Someone higher up instructs the officer to bring him to jail. And in that moment, the man stops negotiating. You can hear the shift in his voice. Acceptance replaces resistance. He calls his wife. He tells her he loves her. He talks about taking his daughter out that night. That's the part that hits hardest. Because suddenly this isn't about a warrant anymore. It's about a father missing time with his child. A husband explaining something he hoped he'd avoided. And here's the uncomfortable truth: the arrest didn't begin in that parking lot. It started months earlier when the warrant was issued. That's the lesson most people miss. Problems don't disappear when we delay them. They just wait. And honestly, this is something every one of us can relate to in our own lives. If you get a letter, a bill, a court notice, a difficult conversation you've been avoiding, handle it early. Because if you wait long enough, the decision may get taken out of your hands. If you ever find yourself in a stressful encounter with authority, remember the strategy you saw here that actually helped: honesty, calm communication, and respect. Notice the officer even allowed him to call his wife. That kind of cooperation often leads to small human moments that make difficult situations easier. And here's a practical rule worth remembering. If you know there's a problem hanging over your head, legal, financial, personal, deal with it before it deals with you. Because time doesn't erase consequences. It just postpones them. The deeper takeaway from this moment is simple but powerful. The past doesn't control your future, but ignoring the past absolutely can. So the next time you're tempted to delay something uncomfortable, an apology, a responsibility, a problem you hope might disappear, ask yourself one honest question. Are you solving the problem today, or just scheduling the moment it comes back to find you?